हेलो जायरीन। जायरीन हेलो हेलो कामता साउंड আসতেছে না তো কি তাহলে তো করো হলো পরদিন malah hangkalin bare
My dear students, All right. My dear students of class 9 and 10, now I am Bikash Kanti Bhattacharya. I think wish welcome to every students. Now we are going to enjoy the online class. That means digital class. Welcome everyone in English class. Now you enjoy the class, please. Teacher introduction presented by Bikash Kanti Bhattacharya, Assistant Teacher English, Koreaman Girls High School, Odia Chittagong. My mobile number 018132511724. Class introduction. First of all, class 9 and 10, Unit 3, Event and Festivals, Lesson 5, Independence Day. Now, what you see in the picture, you get. I think you selected the picture. Whom picture is this? Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Our next picture, you can see some police officer already signed in the paper. Now, you can see another picture in this topic. This piece has been written Bengali. We all discuss on Independence Day. Learning outcomes.
You are sharing stuff on me to keep us on.
Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. You follow our class. Try to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, after we have studied this unit, we will be able to talk about events and festivals. Next, ask and answer questions and give an opinions in a logical sequence. Infer meanings from the context. You open your khata. Let's enjoy a video. Video. Open this video.
এটা ঠিক আছে কন্টেন্টের সাথে লাইভ ক্লাস স্টুডেন্টরা
আমার এখানে একটা ভিডিও ছিল, ভিডিওটা ওপেন করেন না।
ভিডিওটা প্লে হওয়ার জন্য যে ডিভাইসটা দরকার এটা নাই বলা
আছে আপনি আগেরটাতে যান। এই এখানে এই প্যাকেজে দেন, এখানে দেন।
এটা ক্লিক করুন
দেন আসবে সারাই তো দিয়ে ফার্স্ট শুরু হয় ঠিক আছে 90 এর যে ফার্স্ট পেজ Let's enjoy everything.
What's happened?
Yes,
Yes, you can see a video. You enjoy the video. You can see some things in this video. You get our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, our President and Army officer. They are offering.
শুরু হয়েছে
They are offering respect to the martyrs. Here our President and Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, Army officer, our national flag, our video already has been stopped now. এখানে দেখো? এখানে দেখো? Now you can see another picture. Our Prime Minister a smartly dressed parade by the defense forces, border guards in parade ground. Another picture you can see. Already some people gathered here, paying homage to the martyrs by the diplomats, political parties, and the match. Now you can see some boat racing in Buriganga River. Now you can see in the picture, some players are playing sports and games by different clubs and institutions. Now you can see another picture, some students here, display at BB Stadium. Can you see the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Can you enjoy? Do you enjoy the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much. What do you see in the picture? You get?
National flag.
Yes. Some students are presenting their dance display in the playground, and some students are dancing. Yes. Illuminated building. Illuminated building. The building is colorful. Illuminated building. Can you get what is the illuminated? That is colorful building, decorated. এখান থেকে এটা একটু রিমুভ করে দাও। Defense forces showing their performance. Cultural function in different organization. Now you can see another two pictures. You get what kind of picture are they? Main building of Bangla Academy. Understand all students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The name of the building, the Bangla Academy. The name of the building is Bangla Academy. Yes. Now, the below picture, festival arranged by it. Yes. Now you can see another picture. Some children here may be singing. Another festival arranged by Shilpakala Academy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now you can another two pictures.
Individual work.
What can you see in the picture? Where is it? Can you get? What can you see in the picture? Where is it?
Our Prime Minister Sheikh
Yes,
Hasina.
yes, yes. Let us learn some new vocabs.
Because
New vocabs. Display.
display.
You can see picture and the English meaning. Various kinds of articles and displayed.
Various kinds of
Another one,
articles.
illuminated building, and you can see picture and vocabs, the meaning. This is an illuminated building. A sculptor, you can see picture.
A spectator.
Yes, spectators are enjoying a
are
cricket match.
enjoying a cricket match.
Yes, you note down on your khata, please. You note down whatever you can see in the picture, you can note down on your khata. The meaning, you can write accordingly, display, that is the meaning, various kinds of articles.
What kinds of articles are displayed?
Yes, illuminated building, you can write the meaning, this is an illuminated building. Sculptors, you can write, spectators are enjoying a cricket match. Have you finished your writing, please? Have you finished your writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Now we are going to another program. Favor. You can see a
Favor.
picture, a strong feelings of
Of
excitement.
excitement.
Yes, you know the meaning of your kata. Another word, procession.
Procession.
Procession. Yes, you can see a picture, that is procession. When some people are gathered on the way for something, that is procession. And you can write down meaning, they have brought out a procession. Favor, alike, a spectator, displays, illuminate. Meaning, acts of perform skill to decorate a building with bright lights in a similar very a strong feeling of excitement. A person who is watching an event. You note down on your khata, please. You note down on your khata, please. Read the text silently and carefully, individually work. You silently read your topic, your passage in front of you, and then match the following words with their meaning. That means I would like to advise you, at first you read out your topic, and after that you try to match the word. Which word is appropriate, mostly appropriate from the first list words. That means favor. You have to gauge which word in the second script is the correct meaning. You note down. You write down, you gauge. After you're finishing writing, I will help you. Have you gauged? My dear students, have you gauged which is the correct answer? Have you gauged?
Yes.
Yes. Now I have written here accurate answer. You note down the accurate answer on your khata. Favor. A strong feeling of excitement. In a similar way, a person who is watching an event, act of performance skills to decorated building with bright color. That is the meaning. This list you follow, and the accurate answer in this list of the first list. That is the meaning. You note down on your khata. Understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. You note down on your khata the answer, the question, the answer. Favor, the meaning, a strong feeling of excitement, alike, in a similar way.
In a similar way.
Yes, especially for the person who is watching an event, displays,
Display
of
acts of
performing,
performing skills
illuminate, to decorate,
to decorate a building
light
with
color.
bright colors.
Yes. And you can take a screenshot for your document. Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we are
Yes,
going
sir.
another.
Yes, sir.
Write a paragraph using the following clues with 50 words. Independence, start, festival, choral, rates, celebrate programs. Our biggest state festival is, with the choose the best answer. Our alternative answer, Victory Day, Shahid Divas, Pohela Boishakh, Independence Day. You can get which is the correct answer. After you're getting, I can help you. Now, a second question, the celebration of Independence Day begins with our alternative answers, processions, gunshots, placing reds at the National Memorial, the display of parades by different forces. The question 3, the National Museum is on Dhaka University campus, at Ramna Park, at Shabar, near Dhaka Medical College. Our answer is
Independence Day.
down.
Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Yes,
Gunshot.
yes.
Gunshot. The national.
Celebration of
It's our. It's our.
On Independence Day, the national praise is held at the National Praise Ground, in the streets, in the decorated vehicles, in Bangabandhu Stadium. Answer, you can think. Our homework, write in brief how you have celebrated the year's Independence Day to your school. You note down on your khata. This is your home task. Thank you to all.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
স্যার হোমওয়ার্কটা আমি কালকে করে দিছি এখানে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে
Again, please.
স্যার কালকে ওই ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে এট স্কুল ওইটা হচ্ছে আমি করে আমি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দিছি
Oh, acha, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Again, you write down. This is related to this topic. So it is your home task. You write this thing again. It is matter of practice for you. Understand you?
Yes, sir.
Understand you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
This home task is related of this topic. So I would like to give this home task. It is to you have ready the note already, have ready note, and you will make this note again. It is matter of practice. Thank you to all. See tomorrow to you. Thank you very much.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Thank you. Can you? বাবা আমি আপা মানে
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বলো
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার আমি বলতেছিলাম যে ওগুলো হোম টাস্ক গুলো কি খাতায় করে ওইগুলো ছবি তুলে কি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দিব যে
হ্যাঁ হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে ছবি তুলে দাও এই রেকর্ড করবা ভয়েস রেকর্ড করবা কিন্তু কারণ প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন দেখছো স্যার কি রকম সুন্দর করে প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনে ইংলিশে কথা বলছে বড় হলে তোমাদেরও এরকম ক্লিয়ার করে সুন্দর করে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে হবে এটা স্যার কেমনে পারছে বেশি বেশি রিডিং করার মাধ্যমে প্র্যাকটিস করার কারণে তোমরাও এরকম রিডিং করবা ঠিক আছে
Okay, sir.
রিডিং না
Okay,
পরে
sir.
কেউ শুধু শুধু আমরা ছবি তুলে পাঠা দিলে এটা কিন্তু হোমওয়ার্ক হবে না এই কি বলছি মনে রাখিও
Okay, sir. Sir, how are you?
Okay, sir.
তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক
Sir, how
তোমরা
are you?
রিডিং পড়বা তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক তোমাদের রিডিং পরে আমাদের শোনাতে হবে আমরা কিন্তু প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনটা খেয়াল রাখি ওকে বাই
বাবা আর